This is the pricing structure for ElevenLabs. So most people are going to want to try out with the free plan, and that's what you start with. You're going to get 10,000 credits per month, which is going to be about 10 minutes of high quality text-to-speech audio. You're also going to get features such as text-to-speech, speech-to-text, conversational AI, their new studio, automated dubbing, as well as you can use the API. Now the next plan is going to be for people who need more than 10,000 credits. It's basically going to be the same as the free plan, but you're getting much more credits, and it's only going to be $5 per month. So you're getting commercial licensing, so you can make money off it. You're going to be able to voice clone, and you get more projects in their new studio feature. And you're basically going to get 30 minutes of high quality text to speech. Now the next here is going to be the creator plan. You're going to have 100,000 credits per month. And right now there is actually a discount. First month you're going to get 50% off. And the difference is going to be you're going to get professional voice cloning. So compared to the instant voice cloning, professional voice cloning is going to be a much higher quality. And of course, you're getting 100 minutes of high quality text to speech. Now for people who need more than 100,000 credits per month, that is going to be the pro plan. So it's going to be for people who are ramping up their production. It's going to cost $100 per month, and you're getting higher quality output if you're using the API. And then they have business plans. So scale is going to give you 2 million credits per month at $330 per month, and business is going to give you 11 million credits for $1,320 per month.